All right, we are now back and ready to start step 4. For step 4, we're going to actually go inside of the Google Classroom folder. So if you would double click on the Google Classroom folder, you will then see a folder for each of your child's classes. Of course, if you have children typically at North Panola Middle School and North Panola High School, they will have a series of folders. And typically for children who are at Como Primary in Green Hill, they may have anywhere from 2 to 4 folders. So in this case, we're going to click on Miss Lisa and Miss Watson's course to see what documents are available in there for us to download for offline access. We've clicked inside of the folder. There are 3 Google Slide options here. What you will need to do is right click on the file, check the box for making the file available offline. You will need to right click on the file again and select download. You will need to do that for each file that you need to work on while you're available offline. So here, I'm going to go ahead on and download the other 2 files that are here in Demaya's Google Drive. I'm going to right click. We're going to go through that step again. We're going to toggle on available offline. And then we're going to right click again. And we're going to say download. And we're going to do the last file. We're going to select the file, right click, toggle on available offline. We're going to right click again and say download. And you will notice that each time we downloaded a file, we got a box that popped up over here on the bottom right hand corner that has our download manager, and it will let you know when the download is complete. So in this case, download complete, it tells you the name of the actual file, and it also gives you the option to show in folder. And we will get into the folder option where you can see these files in the next video.